Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this iPhone 14 Pro Deep Purple. You can buy it on a space black, silver and gold. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product. It is the newest model from Apple. Wow, and the first thing that we can see, it is the huge Pro camera system. Apple logo, yep, are huge. At the box, we have the USB-C to Lightning cable. It is about 1 meter. No charger included, only the cable. We have some manual designed by Apple in California for the SIM card. And of course we have the Apple sticker. Nothing else at the box. Perfect. And let's reveal the huge display. There it is. 6.1-inch OLED Super Retina XDR display with 2556 by 1179 pixel resolution at 460 ppi with 2000 nits peak brightness outdoors, with adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hz. It has fingerprint resistant with oleophobic coating. Face ID enabled by the True Depth camera for facial recognition. 12 megapixel True Depth selfie camera with f1.9 aperture, with 4K video recording at 24, 25, 30 and 60 fps. At the notch of the iPhone Pro 14, it is the Dynamic Island. Apple claims is the new innovation that's hardware and software and something in between for notifications, alerts and activities into one interactive place with the newest iOS 16. The dimensions are 147.5mm to 71.5mm and the thickness it is 7.85mm with a weight 206 grams. Inside it has the A16 Bionic chip with 128GB of storage and 6GB RAM for this model, with a built-in rechargeable Li-ion battery 3200 mAh, up to 50% charge in around 30 minutes with 20-watt adapter or higher. At the front we have a ceramic shield. It has a stainless steel design around. At the bottom we have the lighting connector, built-in microphones left and right, and the speaker. The side button. We have the built-in stereo speaker with a built-in microphone here. At this side it is the ring silent switch and the volume up and down. And of course here you can install the SIM card. Textured matte glass at the back. In these days the most important hardware on a smartphone is the camera. On iPhone, the Pro camera system. We have the main camera 48 megapixel for up to 4 times the resolution, the telephoto up to 2 times better low light photos, and the ultra wide for a sharper, brighter macro shots. It has a sapphire crystal lens cover with adaptive true tone flash, and it can record videos on 24, 25, 30 and 60 fps. And here at this area we have the TOF 3D LiDAR scanner. Well guys, definitely it is a beautiful smartphone, it has a great design, it looks great, and I'm sure I will enjoy using this smartphone on my everyday life. And of course, don't forget it has an waterproof rated IP68 with a MagSafe wireless charging up to 15 watt. iPhone 14 Pro first look. Stay tuned, more about this phone are on the way. That's why don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.